Saturday afternoon, working on the car. Just like when you were a kid, eh, son?
Sure is, Dad. In fact, it's the same exact car.
You know, Bud, someday this car is gonna be yours.
Thanks, Dad. Please don't paint it, okay?
Yeah, it is cool. These here are the sleekest, sexiest lines American engineers could come up with.
Brett, what's the name of your company? Tell everybody.
Jokerz Performance. We specialize in supercharger rebuilding and porting. This is one of our Hellcat 2.4 IHI snouts and bearing plates. We hand port and then we have it digitized and cut in a Centroid 5-axis CNC. What it does is increase the airflow, allows you to run a bigger aftermarket throttle body, and basically pick up, 30 to 80 horsepower depending on your mods and gains. And
so when you say you port and polish it, what do you do actually? Do you make it more efficient, take more metal out, or what?
Yeah, we take out the metal in spots we need to. We have a patent pending mod here where we weld it up, remove the material, and then we remove it on the inside here for more airflow. This is our patent pending bearing plate that we designed, where it actually flowing more air than the factory, but it remains structurally sound, so that way we don't get any damage to the bearings or the rotor packs getting installed on them. When we do rebuild the supercharger, we use custom spec race bearings that we use steel races and grade 5 ceramic balls with PTFE seals inside and a race grease inside that increases the performance of the supercharger and everything involved inside of it. So more reliability, longevity, and durability.
Can anybody pick their colors, or do you pick them for them?
We are a fully licensed powder coating, Cerakoting, Duracoating company, and any color you want, we can put it on any supercharger. Basically what we do is we bump it up on like an 80, let's say a 93 octane car, you'll see about 35 horsepower with like a 275 pulley.
Wow, that's a lot.
So, but then you go to a dual pulley car where you increase the RPMs. We've seen as much as 80 to, one case we've seen 100 horsepower gains with like a camshaft involved.
Wow.
So and we've seen one shop with gained about 2 to 3 PSI in the car.
Good deal. Do you work with my tuner, Kurt Dusterhoff?
Yes, he's a very good tuner. I've known Kurt since before Hellcats were made. He's always been good to me. He's always been loyal. So can't hate that guy.
Hey, if we was to put this on the Soul Snatcher, you think this would get me going a lot faster?
Most definitely. Making you go mid-eights.
Hey man, we got a big race coming up with the Donkmaster, and I happened to run into him out here at PRI. He's walking around looking for go fast parts, and I think I found my secret weapon right here.
There you go.
All right, guys, check it out. You know I got this big race coming up March the 7th, the big showdown. YouTubers call out. Anybody can get it at the Texas Motor Plate. Racing Donkmaster. Come on now, don't get no better than that. Decided to turn the car up a little bit, so I took wise counsel from Third Degree, Rod Hetzel, my tuner, Kurt Dusterhoff, also from Travis Franklin of Jokerz Performance. All these guys are racers and know exactly what they're talking about. They said, Demonology, you have to go with Jokerz Performance if you want your car to run faster, more efficiently, and have that supercharger doing what no other supercharger can do. So guys, that's why I'm going with this particular process. This is something that I had to invest in if I want to get the Soul Snatcher to keep snatching souls and running its best. Hey, if you hadn't done this, you need to look at it, contact Jokerz Performance and get this done. Anything that has a supercharger on it, they're able to get it out there, make it more efficiently, and run a lot better and a lot faster. Anyway, guys, I'm Demonology. You know what we're doing. Snatching souls. Peace.
Sir, no customers allowed in the back. Your soul is his.
All right, Curtis, can you tell me about this blower? What's your thought on it so far? I see you got it out here. I want to get your opinion, then we're going to go to the expert opinion right here, Hunter Holt.
That's kind of rude.
Come
Wow.
on.
Wow.
Taylor, tell us what you think about it. What kind of shape was the blower in? What did you feel about it?
Other than being on a Dodge, it's in pretty good shape. There's no oil in the case, nothing on the rotors. They're not nicked, they're not tore up at all. It looks pretty good, especially for how many passes you have on it.
How many passes is it? 2,000?
Whatever you want it to be on it.
2,500.
All right, there we go, 2,500.
Still rude.
I mean, this thing looks pretty good. I mean, as far as like I said, it doesn't look like any gravel's going through it. So, yeah. I mean, we gonna take these off?
I don't know. No, it's dry. It's still the cleanest one we've done so far. Most of them have some oil of some sort in, but you got the catch cans and the breather,
Which everybody should have.
So you really believe in the oil separator and the catch can?
Oh, definitely.
Here we go, expert opinion from Hunter Holt. And the man Curtis, the man himself. Curtis is really the mad scientist, right?
Mad fabricator.
Oh, I'm sorry, the mad fabricator. Let me get that straight.
put a hole in your hood, man. That's my thing.
That's why he's the mad fabricator.
He's the mad fabricator.
Is that his name, the mad what?
Fabricator?
Man, look at that baby right there, boy. It has put in a lot of work.
How many miles are on it?
20,000.
And it's a Dodge, it's more like 200,000.
On the glass leg over here.
Yeah, I know.
Hey man, Al Bundy had a Dodge.
Well, just the name itself bespeaks power and wealth. Dodge.
There you go, brother. Al Bundy had a Dodge.
I could have swore he said Ted Bundy for a second.
No, he had a Mustang. So we're looking to put a bigger pulley on it.
Make
and
the
have
same
it to
amount of
push.
boost.
The same amount of boost with a bigger.
Maybe lower charge.
Yes, sir. Which will be less heat, which will help us out in the long run.
Feels like Christmas, except I know it's not for me.
Here we go, Hunter Holt. We got the unboxing of the unboxing. Is that right? Unboxing of the
I don't
boxing?
know. Typically there's stuff in the box, so it's a little backwards this time. Oh, nice. Mold for the snout and everything. That's actually pretty nice. Oh, did I already show you the one for me?
Yeah, you look real good.
That's creepy. HC. Do we need to have a talk?
Well, I don't mean good, look real good like that, but not in that way.
Compliment, compliment.
Conversation with him.
Yeah. You told me, Hunter. But he told me don't engage in conversation with you.
I don't know what that's all about.
We're all jokered up, and we got the real Joker right here.
We get him some face
Yeah,
paint.
hey, Hunter, you got to do like this.
Yeah, we gotta get him
Yeah.
face paint.
Yeah. Give me some white paint. Yeah. I like the purple.
You like the purple?
Looks more.
Man, I like
Actually,
it on the
Dodges-
back of your shirt. I like this.
Yeah.
This on the back of the shirt. I wonder if
Dodges-
that's on the back of the black shirt. Man, I'm gonna wear the hell out of that shirt.
That's the stuff
So
You got the what?
I just sent it all
Oh,
to
you sent it to me?
And I
Thank you.
gave you something extra that you ain't seen yet.
Okay, thank you. It's not nudity, is it? Okay.
Now, it looks like this pops off. I'm betting
He said it might be.
it's like on Cobra. That's the oil
Yeah.
reservoir for the back.
Hey man, don't be saying like no cobra now. This is a demon. This ain't no cobra.
That looks like venom to me.
It's all
Is that look like venom?
Same shit.
No man, that's some residue from leftover souls is what that is. Is the chief here?
No,
He's riding snow bikes.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I ain't never even seen. He's
Seen
got a
him
snow
before.
bike. He's got his mobility fucking mountain bike. All right.
Hey man. Hey, so he got his mobility bike?
Yeah, and he's got his special snow bike.
never met someone in Texas who needed a snow bike. That's a new one. I wouldn't say that. All right. Now we'll put it in the box. It's actually pre-molded and formed. So you can see it says pulley here, throttle body over here. That way it fits the snout perfectly. It's not packing styrofoam or peanuts or none of that you have to dig through and they get everywhere. This is designed specifically for this snout. There we go. tape it up, send it off.
I'm gonna race you with a roll race.
Okay.
Right there. Orange juice.
You're gonna make him cry in that?
So you gotta, so you're gonna race me on a roll race?
Yeah, you got a roll race coming up, right?
Yeah, we got a roll race.
We got the car for you right there. We just can't let Chief know because he's kind of weird about it. No, we're just taking the intercooler out.
So what is this in the back that he's taking off?
Crossover between the two, and this goes to your intercooler tank, and then from the heat exchanger in the front.
Okay.
You could also call this a manifold.
Whatever.
No, there's a fuel well back there in the
Ruin the
back. I see.
Cobra over there, please.
Notice how nervous HT was looking when he came by here? He's like, oh man, getting Venom kill demons back together. So good.
Man, that ain't happened yet. I don't know why people keep saying that. Did this come off the front of my car?
This?
No, this black thing on the bottom. No.
No.
I was gonna say, what the hell is that?
That's quality Ford parts.
I was gonna say, what piece of shit is that?
That is a pulley bridge for this Cobra behind me, actually.
Okay.
I need you to bend over there, Hunter. Show them what you're working with.
Alright. Have fun. Alright. Now she's ready to be sent off.
So can you repeat that again, brother?
It hurt once the first time, really. It's actually a pretty nice intercooler system they got set up here. It's pretty easy to get in and out, and obviously does its job pretty well.
Yeah, it snatches a lot of souls, doesn't it?
Yeah, had Whipples going to it, BMPs going to it. The new GT500 has a similar system, so obviously it works.
Sweet.
Let me drop one. Yeah, it's a heavy son of a bitch. Yourself now, you're gonna be a dick.
That's fine. I had no problem dropping this thing 4 times before I get to the door.
But with their impressive packaging, it still won't get damaged.
Except for that big part that's sticking up.
Oh.
Here, I'll get the door.
Yeah, why don't you get that door for them, Hunter?
Such a nice guy. You going around back?
Yeah.
Man, that's a heavy blower.
So Phil, I'm getting the snout and the blower port and polished, and it's going to be done by Jokerz Performance. If somebody wanted to get that done, how would they contact Gearheads Performance to have that set up?
Well, they would just go ahead and give me a call, and we could set up the scheduling, you know, with their availability as well as our shops. Bring the car in, we'll remove the blower, the snout, package it up, send it off to Jokerz for their services. Store the car here. When it comes back, reassemble it, take care of any kind of tuning needs, any additional modifications that you could want done.
Okay, thank you very much, Phil. We appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Man, why doesn't the demon sound that good?
Hey, one thing, if you want to go back with Mopar coolant,
Yeah.
you're going to need a source that we can't get it.
Okay, I'll get it.
So,
You sure about it?
not this purple.
Oh, not the. Oh, gotcha.
How much of it did you lose? Just a little bit?
Yeah.
I think if you just got a gallon,
Honestly, yeah.
one thing of it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can mix it or not.
We'll get it.
With water?
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.